Hello and welcome to Alex Thames Tabletop. Today we're going to talk about using sprues for terrain. Yes, it's that simple. We all have them. If you collect the hobby, buy models, we all have sprues in our house. So yeah, I'm just doing a quick slideshow video just explaining what they're good for. Personally, I think they're pretty cool for bricks. Like, you cut them up, you put them on a bit of cardboard or on a table, and there, you've made some bricks. It's that simple. I could end the video right there. But I'm just kind of giving a short video demonstration of what I did. The scale isn't the best for like 40k what I usually do, but it kind of gives us a vibe. You can paint the bricks any colour. I ain't really going to tell you how to do your sprues, because whatever you want to do, but me, I'm going for like the whole generic black. So just prime them grey with whatever grey you have. Put a wash on, dry brush them from a dark grey up to a light grey, and you're sorted. It's that simple. But yeah, I wanted to do a video on it for a while and I thought I'd quickly do it this week, so that's what I've done. It was quite fun. I would like to in the future do it at a bigger scale, so this is quite small, like only a few sprues, but I'd actually like to make an actual big wall, like a line of sight blocker out of sprues. I've seen people make watchtowers out of sprues, houses, but because I'm a bit lazy, I've just done the basics to kind of demonstrate to you lot. So here you're starting to see it come together a bit more now. I've put a bit of texture paint on this bit of cardboard. I had some like kind of swampy bushes, giving it light dry brush on the bricks, and it all starts to come together like that. Really, you get the idea, and it's that easy. I just thought I'd like to spread the word that we all have sprues in our hobby. It's all in our household somewhere. If you want to make terrain on the cheap, use sprues because, well, it saves you money. So hopefully you enjoyed that. There's a box walker to kind of give a kind of idea what it looks like with models. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, dislike, leave a nasty comment and all that. I'm on all the internets. I'll catch you all soon. Goodbye.